Hello, I'm Jenny from Easy Chinese. Today I'm going to do a handmade noodle with aubergine and a pork sauce. Let's do the handmade noodle first. So very strong flour, 500 gram, 3 gram of salt, 3 gram of salt, and then add 2 eggs. 150 milliliter of cold water. Add into the flour little by little. This will be a little bit hard dough, not very soft. After 5 minutes, I roughly made a dough, but it's not perfect, look. But don't worry, set for 20 minutes. At the same time, I'm going to prepare the sauce. Actually, once you know how to make the handmade noodle, you can top up with any kind of sauce you like. First of all, aubergine. Sprinkle a bit salt. Now I'm going to cut the pork. I have introduced you this kind of pork before. If you check my previous video, I use this for my dumpling, for my steamed bun. I'm going to mix all the seasonings. Sweet bean paste, the normal bean paste. So I'm going to mix these two. 3 tablespoons of this sweet bean paste, 3 tablespoons of this normal bean paste. Add 1 tablespoon of light color soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark color soy sauce. Add about 100 milliliter of water. This dough has been set for 20 minutes. Oh, it is so easy to knead it now. So I'm going to knead for another 5 minutes and make it a smooth dough now. Set for another 20 minutes. At the same time, I'm going to cook the sauce. I'm going to squeeze out excessive water from the aubergine first. So heat up the wok first. Wait until the wok is very hot. Okay, the wok is hot now. Coat the wok like this with oil. Add the pork first. So don't stir now. Wait a bit until the bottom has cooked. You cook the pork until the egg is turned golden brown. Aubergine. Cover with the lid for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add this mixed bean paste. If you think it's too dry, you can add a little bit water. So now cover with the lid and medium fire for about 10 minutes. I chopped 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and I will add this in the end. So after another 20 minutes, this dough is ready to roll. So at this time, don't knead the dough again. I'm going to use the cornstarch as the dusting flour instead of the normal flour, because this will make it very smooth. You press it first like this, and then turn and turn. Yeah, if you want thinner noodle, you will roll this, bigger and thinner, this flat dough, huh? So add a little bit starch to prevent them from sticking together. I think I'm going to add a little bit more water and cook 5 more minutes to let the aubergine softer. I prefer aubergine softer. I add the chopped garlic. The aubergine is good, it's soft now. Drizzle a little bit sesame oil. Move it aside. I'm going to boil the noodle. Remember, always use a big pot and add plenty of water